Every second on the road demands exceptional chassis support. DLZ, as a global leader in automotive chassis components, stands at the forefront of industry innovation. Our products don't just support millions of vehicles on roads across the world, they drive the future of automotive manufacturing. From design to delivery, DLZ leads the industry with precision engineering and superior quality. Proudly, we supply the world's leading customers with trusted chassis components, enabling them to move forward into the future. At DLZ, we understand that innovation is the driving force behind industry transformation. Every year, our research and development team develops over 1,000 new products. Meticulously designed to break new ground and meet the growing demands of automotive aftermarket worldwide. From development to prototype to mass production, we perfect every detail. With cutting-edge research and development facilities and technologies, DLZ ensures that every product we create excels in the global marketplace. DLZ's all-in-one manufacturing system is the cornerstone of our leadership in the global automotive industry. Each step is meticulously controlled to ensure that every component meets the highest quality standards. We have state-of-the-art equipment and an efficient team. We ensure that every part is delivered to our customers with precision and reliability. From forging to stamping, every millimeter is meticulously verified. From heat treatment to machining, every temperature fluctuation and dimension is precisely controlled. In assembly and packaging, we focus on perfection, ensuring every product leaves flawless. We believe that excellence is achieved by mastering the smallest details. Quality is the lifeblood of DLZ. From raw material sourcing to final product delivery, we enforce stringent quality control throughout the entire process. Every product undergoes precise testing at every stage to ensure that it performs reliably, even in the harshest environments. Our state-of-the-art laboratory provides accurate testing for every product's performance, ensuring that each component meets international standards and exceeds customer expectations. DLZ products deliver exceptional performance and reliable durability. Designed for various vehicles and applications, each component offers precise fitment and lasting reliability, ensuring stability in any environment. At DLZ, our customers' success is our top priority. We are dedicated to delivering exceptional service and support to every client, from tailored solutions to technical consultation. At DLZ, we don't just perfect production, we also lead in warehousing and logistics. Through precise inventory management and an efficient warehouse management, we ensure that every product shipped on time and as needed. Regardless of location, we deliver high-quality products quickly and accurately to our global customers, empowering them to succeed in their markets. DLZ's competitive edge lies in our comprehensive strengths. From cutting-edge research and development capabilities to full-process manufacturing, rigorous quality control, a diverse product line, and a globally leading logistics system. Choose DLZ. Choose the global leader in automotive chassis components. And let's create a brighter future together.